Everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's April 2nd, 2025. Hope you had a great day of trading. Session's obviously not over, but I just wanted to share a couple things. I didn't get to trade yesterday because I was on shift and working. So instead of trying to trade from my mobile and do that, I just decided to skip out yesterday. So hopefully I had a good day yesterday as well. Real quick, I do have some updates to the accounts I'm trading and everything like that. But here is MotiveWave. This is my main setup that I trade, my Apex funding accounts. You can see I have 20 PA accounts, and then I have 5 evals that are all passed sitting on the sidelines in case I have a mix up or a mess up and blow some of these PA accounts. Hopefully that's not the case. So anyways, real small winning day for me. About 57, 58 bucks in each of the accounts. Trading micros again. And today was one of those days where for whatever reason, I was just kind of spooked by this huge move we had on the opening, and I just kind of scalped just one micro. So took a few trades. Each trade was about $20 to $30 in profit and would close out. So yeah, need to get better at holding because most of my setups that I had worked out really well. Could have held for a little bit more. But anyways, that is what it is. Didn't overtrade, didn't over leverage today. So I am pleased with that. These arrows, you can kind of see where I took some trades. And over here is my 15-minute chart. I have the volume area high, volume area low, point of control, and a VWAP. And then additionally, I have the initial balance set up with these solid blue lines. So those are like the areas I'm looking for trade setups. This morning, you can see I actually took a short when we had this huge move. I DCA'd in because there was 2 areas that I was looking at to get short at. This initial one at 19,591, you can see coincides with this untested kind of area. I was thinking we'd get some resistance at this previous daily VWAP from a few days ago. And then I also had another entry at 615, which was yesterday's value area high. So it brought my average in, and then I was able to scalp out for, a decent win. Nothing crazy. And actually that one didn't go much lower. So I stand corrected. I could have held for quite a bit more. But I just kind of got out too soon. And then I decided to get long at about 534.50, which coincided with we were in the VWAP range. So got long there after I saw we had some support, wrote it up. And then additionally, one more long here. We had this big move up, and then I played from the initial balance high. I was thinking we would get some support, and boy, did we get some support. However, I just closed for 11 points, or 12 points or so. So not my best trading. I don't know why I was so spooked. I was even trading 1 micro, so it's not like I was risking much. But it is what it is. Decided to just call it a day after that, since I obviously took some trades that were winners and I didn't want to risk losing anything today. So that would have been a really good trade though. However, off that initial balance high retest, since there's a lot of support there from yesterday's value area, we had VWAP, we were above it. So hopefully you got some good trades off. So that's where I'm at on those accounts. The other day before Tradeify ended their March sale, I decided to open some accounts again. And this time I went straight to funding and I went with the big dogs. So I opened up the 150K accounts with them, and I opened up 5 of them. So I am copying from my Apex accounts over to Tradeify. I'm doing more than 1 micro. I'm doing 4. So not over leveraged, but between the 5 accounts, you can see made about, $250 or so per account. About $210 per account, times 5. That's where we got the 1.1K. And then obviously the 15 trades, it counts them, divide by 5 accounts. So that's where we're at with that one. We'll be taking that kind of slow, trading micros as well most of the time, and just looking to slowly grow those and then hopefully get some payouts with Tradeify. From everything I've heard, they are like one of the fastest payouts in the industry. I really do like this dashboard. They have a trade journal, trade log, reports, all sorts of cool things built in. It's real time, so you can update your status and right after you take a trade. So check them out. I do have a discount code right now. My code is Sean Trades. It works with Tradeify, works with Apex Trader Funding, and Take Profit. Tradeify has a 30% off sale for all their accounts. But if you've never used them before, you can use that code to get 40% off your first account. So check it out. That's a pretty good deal. Working on those. And then I decided to go back with TopStep as well. Now, here's the reason why. I got selected to try their new dashboard, and I really wanted to check it out. And it's pretty slick. It's much improved from their other one that was really slow. This one has real-time updates, so you do have to use TopstepX, which is fine. It's a web-based browser. You can use it with your Mac. You can use it with your tablet. They have a little mobile app too. So I did sign up for that. And let's see, why is that not loading so great here? Small winning day. I decided to do 5 accounts because I also got a 25% discount for trying their new dashboard. So the accounts were about, I don't know, $36 or something like that each. So up a little bit in the accounts. Happy with that. We'll be slowly growing these. I got to get to $3,000 without hitting the $2,000 trailing or end of day trailing loss. So I'll keep you posted how that goes. I did want to just try them again. They've always been solid. I've gotten no complaints against TopStep in the past when I've gotten payouts from them. And then obviously, since I'm a micros kind of switching to just doing micros recently, it's easy with TopstepX because they do have the micro to E-mini conversion. So as I scale in, as I grow larger, that's built in. Whereas like their Tradeify, or excuse me, their Tradeivate or Rhythmic accounts, it's 1-to-1. Like if you pass, you only get a 50K. You can only do 2 micros. So if I have a trade on the micro NASDAQ, and I look to trade like in the MES, I can only do 2 contracts. So that's what I'm doing. TopstepX. It's pretty simple. It's not my favorite platform, but it is really user friendly, really simple actually. So it keeps it pretty basic. So, yeah, you can see this is the new layout for it. Got 5 accounts in here, all set up today. So let's see, go down this next one. You can see I made 300. So there's a little bit of discrepancy just in the trade copier, but not by much. You can see I have a daily loss limit. I haven't set that in TopstepX, but I did set a profit target. So if I have like a major day, it can't like skew it to where I have to keep trading a lot longer since they have that 50% consistency rule. All right, that's where I'm at, guys. I do have a couple payouts, some Apex that are still under review. Hopefully those will get reviewed and taken care of and sent off here soon. I do have another one that I'm actually eligible to request in another account tonight, since I made that another $50. That puts me over the threshold. So I'll probably request $500 in that one and keep stacking those accounts to where I can start requesting some more payouts with other ones. So I'm sitting pretty good. A couple of the accounts are over $3,000 now. Those are the ones that actually do have some payouts pending. So if they do get approved, they'll deduct $500 from those accounts. These ones here. So anyways, that's the big update for the day. Hopefully you survived this massive bullish up move today. Obviously you can see pretty big candles, pretty big movement, huge range. So hopefully you didn't get trapped. You can see I have the ATR set up here on my motive wave. So this is a 5-minute chart. The ATR right now is about 35 points per candle on the 5-minute. And then over here on the 15, it's about almost 73 points per 15-minute candle. So lots of movement, lots of opportunity. So hopefully you're able to stay safe and make some profit today. So there you go, guys. I'll hopefully update again soon, and appreciate you checking out the video. Make sure to subscribe. Keep checking back as I progress through the new TopStep accounts and also the new Tradeify accounts. Additionally, before I log off, I did start a Take Profit account. I just did one account with them, and I'm just doing actually their 25K account. So I need to make $1,500 before you have a trail, or you have a loss limit of $1,500 too. So that's end of day drawdown during the eval. We'll just be kind of copying my Apex accounts with that, taking that one slow, no rush. Once I pass that one, I'll add another one. So also using them right now. So added several accounts before the end of the month in March, and didn't trade yesterday on the 1st. So today was the first day of being able to trade those accounts. Yeah, that's it, guys. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one.